Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix for not create Apple ID. If you're using any iPhone and you're having this type issue that you could not create Apple ID, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you just have to open up your settings. In settings, you have to make sure that you're connected to stable Wi-Fi network. So open up your Wi-Fi, and here you have to make sure that you're connected to the network, or you have to try to enable or disable airplane mode for fewer times. It should make a quick refresh into your network settings, and once you have that, you have to wait for your phone connect to internet, then scroll down and go for general, and you have to make sure that your phone is not connected to any VPN, or if you have connected to any VPN, so you must have to try to disconnect and then go back, and here you must have to select the software update option, and you have to make sure that you haven't any update here, or you have to transfer tab on transfer or reset iPhone, then select reset, then select reset network settings. Enter your passcode, it will reset all of your network settings, and once you have that, you just have to try again to create your Apple account. Or if you are still having the same issues, now what you have to do, you have to open up your browser, and browser you have to simply search for iCloud.com. And once you have searched, you have to create your account here. So here you have to try to sign in, and here you have to create a new account, and it might be it will fix your issue. So in this way you can easily create a new Apple account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.